For you to create a YouTube channel, you are going to need a Google account, Gmail. With that Google account, open your YouTube app. Just check over here, sign in your Gmail account. After signing in your Gmail account, click here. It is going to take you over here. Click on your channel. So for you to create your channel, upload your profile picture, you can always change it. So you can just use a temporary profile picture here and you are good to go. So I am going to tap on this picture icon. There are two options here. You can snap from camera or you select from your gallery. I am going to select from my gallery. Remember, you can always edit this picture. So I'm just going to select one picture and I will use that. So now that I've gotten my picture, I am going to set up my YouTube channel name. Click on this edit icon to edit your channel name. The first thing you are going to see is your normal email name. So you can go ahead to enter your own channel name. So let me just say I am using Online Money Hustle as my own channel name. So after entering my channel name, click on this save. The next thing on the list is to create a handle. So I am going to click on this edit button to edit my YouTube channel handle. So this is what I want to be my YouTube channel handle, and after that, the next thing I will do is to click on this save button above. In an attempt to save it, you can see that they are saying this handle has been taken. So this is the one that they are suggesting below. I am going to add 529 to my handle. So if the one that you want to take has been taken, you can look at the suggested ones and you take the suggested ones. Okay, let me click on save again and I will save this channel handle. So they have accepted that. So the next thing I will do here is to click on this create channel button, and with that your YouTube channel has been created. If you check over here, you are going to see that it's beginning with O, which is the first letter of my YouTube channel name. I'm going to click there right now and I will click on your channel. Let us be sure that our channel has been created. So I'll click on your channel and here it is. You can see that your channel has been created. As you can see, this is your channel name. Then you can see that this is 0 subscribers, 0 videos. The next thing you're going to do is to add description. Let me show you how to do that right now. Click on this edit icon. Right here you are going to see description. Okay, then go ahead and click on this edit icon to edit the description. When I click on that, you will see that the description area will be provided for you. What they mean by channel description is what your channel is about. So I will say, since I want to be publishing videos on how to make money online, I'm going to be writing on that description, welcome to Online Money Hustle, which is the name of my YouTube channel. So I will say on this channel I publish videos on how to make money online. Now if your own channel is about cooking, tell your subscribers, those who are going to be visiting your channel, your visitors, that your channel is about cooking. If it is about comedy, if it is about entertainment, if it is about gossip, celebrity gossip, whatever, tell your channel visitors that that is what the channel is about, so that those who are going to subscribe will subscribe and know the kind of videos they will be expecting from your channel. So that is what they mean by channel description. To click on this save button. So right there you can see that my channel description has been saved. Now if somebody asks you for your channel URL, somebody wants to subscribe to your channel and they're asking for your channel link, then this is your YouTube channel link. You can click here to copy your link and paste it for the person to subscribe. Another thing you need to know is that this place is the YouTube banner. First of all, you need to design your banner. You can use Canva to design your banner. Then you click on this photo icon to upload your YouTube banner.